Welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see PGTRB 2001 physical questions from thermodynamics. It's very surprising they have asked nearly 3 questions from the same chapter and similar type of questions. That is from isolated system, open system and the closed systems. 3 options are given. We need to find out. Okay. So all the 3 questions are similar, so I have mentioned all the 3 in one slide itself, and I will show you one example. Don't forget this example, keep it in your mind. This is sufficient that you can say the answer for this. This is an isolated system. The isolated system, in this isolated system, see, there is a no exchange of mass and energy. If you touch this thermoflask, you cannot able to find out whether the heat liquid is there or hot liquid is there. What is there inside, you cannot find out. Okay, so there is a no exchange of a matter and energy. You cannot come to know what is there inside. The matter is also not coming out and energy is also not coming out. So there is a no exchange of matter and energy. Okay, then it is called as a dm, which is also equal to 0, energy which is also equal to 0. There is no exchange is happening. So which is the option is a D. And for the next one, see here, this is open system. The open system means, see here, there is a sodium metal and hexane, or it catches fire and the energy is also sharing and mass is also sharing. Okay, the heat is also sharing and mass is also sharing. So both energy and mass is sharing, okay, exchanging, so which is not equal to 0. This isolated system and the open system, which is completely reverse. Okay, so if this is equal to 0 means this is not equal to 0. Okay, it's exchanging. Here there is no exchange, here exchanging, so which is not equal to 0 means the option is A. And the last one, see, this is a closed system. The lid is closed. What is there inside we just cannot come to know, but we can realize the heat. Okay, while heating the heat we can realize outside the vessel. So only the energy we can exchange. Okay, energy we can see the energy exchanging over here. So what is that? Energy is dE. So the dE is exchanging, which is equal to 0. The other things are not equal to 0. So the answer is, we will see one by one. The first one, the answer is D. And for the second one, the answer is A. I already said these two are reverse. And the last one, the answer is C, which is not equal to 0. The energy is not equal to 0. Why? The energy is exchanging. Okay, mass is not exchanging, which is equal to 0. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell button so that you will get all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.